Okay, it's Ken Wilshire, All American Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. So there he is, the man himself. Hello, this is not.
Hello, I love you. Tell me your name.
Anyway,
okay.
Okay, we could have done without all that. Anyway, so what we got? Give me a description here.
We got a nice bathroom remodel and a tub that's in pretty bad shape. Yeah.
All right.
It's in what?
We'll keep you posted.
Oh, we were just doing video.
Okay. Well, here's we got everything cleaned and filled, and we're going to have some lunch, and then we'll come back in, mask this off, and spray it, and get this show on the road. Okay. Getting ready to spray this thing out. Okay. Okay, it's Ken Wilshire, All American Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. Over here in Kansas City, Missouri, man, making these tubs look brand new. Brand new. None of this, oh, okay, it looks okay. And then I want people to, wow. When they see these, they say, wow. Instead of, Okay, all right, thank you.